Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my boat. It's a Lund 1700 Fisherman, and let's get into it. First off, starting with the motor, it's a 4-stroke Yamaha 115 right there. Okay, let's see if we can get on here. Oh shoot. Okay. Got the boat right here. We're starting in the back. We got ropes, and then we got seats right here, 2 seats. We got one is a place to hold fish. We don't use that. And under here is another one. We're gonna use this for storage. And we got 3 seats. We'll probably move this seat right here up to the front. And right here we got where my rods are gonna go. Yeah, we can hold 5 slots. All my rods will probably be right here, but I have more than 5 rods, so I'm probably gonna put them up here somewhere. But in this pocket we have a bunch of extra stuff like ropes, cover, and we got an oar right here if we run out of battery or gas. And right here we got Lund and all this other stuff right here. Set the engine, our gas lever and stuff like that. We got the Eagle Fish Easy fish finder up and down view. It's not that good, but it'll work for now. And in the passenger seat, under we have a bunch of life jackets under here too. Oh crap. Under here we have our manuals, like the trolling motor manual, stuff like here if you want to hold water or something. And we got our spotter and stuff like that. Up to the front, that's where our seat will be, but under here we got more storage and stuff like that. And under this one we have the place to hold fish. We usually do this one, but if I do bass tournaments, it'll probably be held in those 2 back there. But this one we got the Minn Kota 70-pound trolling motor right here. It works good. We got the pedal, stuff like that, lights, and under here we got the batteries, 2 batteries for the trolling motor. And under here is nothing much, but this is where all my tackle's gonna be, under this little pocket thingy, and that's where it'll be. And under here, if I can get under here, we got our battery for the motor and stuff like that. So I'm finally gonna show my face. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I just wanted to make a quick video because it's gonna snow out. All this is gonna be snow, so be prepared for that if you're in Minnesota. But right now you can fish for bass, so I'm waiting. So hopefully we can get this boat out for fishing sometime. and I will be sure to make a fishing video for you guys. I know this is a fishing YouTube channel, and I haven't been making fishing videos, but I will. Just wait. Subscribe, hit that like button down below, and comment what I should do next. See you.